Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to see the damage output in CS2. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start up a new game. So basically when you're playing CS2, to see the damage output, it actually displays it at the end of the round. So what you're going to want to do is play CS2, and at the end of every round, underneath your avatar at the very top, it's going to show you how much damage has been dealt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play through this first round, and then when this round has finished, I'll show you how much damage has been dealt. Here we are, and you can see at the bottom it's going to tell you how much damage has been dealt under each avatar. So it tells you how many shots have been fired, and all the information is displayed underneath each avatar at the end of every single round. So it does only display this for a few seconds, so you need to be quick so that you can see how much damage has been dealt. And that's it. That is how you can go ahead and see the damage output in CS2. I hope that you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be super amazing. We really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.